Brown bear Part 1. Large bear species called as the brown bear, Urus arctos, could be found throughout North America and Eurasia. Brown bear populations in North America are known as grizzly bears, and the subspecies that lives on Alaska's Kodiak Islands is known as the Kodiak bear. Only its closest relative, the polar bear, Urus maritimes, which is far less variable in size and somewhat larger on average, can rival its size being one of the largest living terrestrial members of the order Carnivora. Russia, Central Asia, the Himalayas, China, Canada, the United States, Hokkaido, Scandinavia, Finland, the Balkans. The images produced in Europa and the Carpathian region, especially Romania, Iran, Anatolia, and the Caucasus are among the regions where brown bears can be seen. The brown bear is noted for being the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, continues to categorize the brown bear as a least concern species despite the fact that its range has shrunk and it has faced local extinctions throughout its extensive range. In 2017, its estimated population were 110,000. The only bear species that isn't listed as threatened by the IUCN as of 2012 is this one and the American black bear, albeit its large sizes may work against them owing to increased competition with people. The Atlas bear of North Africa and the Californian, Ungiven, and Mexican grizzly bear populations of North America were among the populations that were wiped out in the 19th and 20th centuries. The majority of individuals in southern Eurasia are. Both taxonomy and evolution. The term Bruin comes from Middle English and refers to brown bears. This name was first used in the tale History of Reynard the Fox, that William Caxton translated from the Middle Dutch word Bernhard, which means brown, the color. The American brown bear was referred to as Old Ephraim and occasionally as Moccasin Joe in the middle of the 19th century. The Latin word for bear, Urus, and the Greek word for bear, Arctos, are the origins of the brown bear's scientific name, Urus arctos. Popular names and evolution. According to hypothesis, brown bears evolved from Asian Urus etruscans. The brown bear was obviously descended from the Asian population of Urus saving around 800,000 years ago, migrated into Europe, to the New World, as according Curtin, 1976. The brown bear lineage separated from the cave bear species complex around 1.2 to 1.4 million years ago, according to a DNA analysis, although it was unclear if U-saving remained as a paraspecies for the brown bear before dying out. The oldest fossils from this species that have been positively identified are from China and date to roughly 0.5 million years ago. About 250,000 years ago, brown bears discovered their way to North Africa and then on to Europe. Pleistocene brown bear remains are repeatedly detected.